On today's menu, a delicious recipe so easy to make, you won't need to noodle around to figure out. An amazing tamarind soba salad. Lei Ho Ma, that's how's it going in Cantonese. I'm Yeung from YoungManCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. Noodle salads are one of my absolute favorites because they are so easy to make, incredibly refreshing, and absolutely delicious. But before we get started, a big thank you to Lotus Foods for sponsoring today's episode. In this episode, we're using Lotus Foods organic buckwheat and brown soba rice noodles. These noodles are combined with organic buckwheat, the seed that gives such valued taste and nutrition, with organic whole grain brown rice to create a beloved yet gluten-free Japanese-style soba noodle. With its rich and nutty taste, serve these chilled with a dipping sauce in a hot broth or in any pasta or stir fry. Preheat the oven to 400. Bring a pot of water to boil for the noodles. Pat dry 1 pound of firm tofu with a paper towel, then slice into cubes. Spread the tofu cubes onto a tray lined with parchment paper. Season with salt and pepper. Bake in the oven for 45 to 50 minutes. Cook the noodles to package instructions. Stir the noodles occasionally to keep them from sticking. Chop about 30 grams of carrot into thin matchsticks. In this episode, I'm using a delicious heirloom purple carrot, but you can use any carrot you have on hand. When the noodles are done, rinse and drain them in cold water to get rid of the excess starch. Add a splash of toasted sesame oil to the noodles. This will prevent them from sticking and add a delicious flavor. Gently toss the noodles and set aside. "40 grams of red bell pepper, thinly sliced. 2 sticks of green onion, chopped. Transfer the veggies to the noodles. "4 grams Thai basil, 4 grams fresh mint, about 10 grams of chopped cilantro, half cup edamame, 2 tablespoons peanut butter, 1.5 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon tamarind paste, 2 tablespoons coconut milk, 1 tablespoon maple syrup. Grate in a small piece of ginger. Whisk. That smells incredibly delicious. By the way, if you've tried Lotus Foods products, let me know in the comments below which ones you've tried. Pour the dressing onto the salad. Toss. plate. That looks and smells amazing already, but just going to toast up some peanuts and then we're almost done. Frying pan, medium heat, 1/4 cup peanuts. Toast the peanuts on the pan for 3 to 4 minutes. Top the salad with the delicious peanuts. Top the salad with some crispy tofu and save the rest for another recipe. You can now make this delightful soba noodle salad with absolute confidence. Amazingly simple to put together, and I guarantee you this is literally packed with flavor. Man, that is so delicious. It's incredibly refreshing with the delicious dressing that just has that tanginess from the tamarind paste, the delicious kind of salty soy sauce, and the sweetness from the maple syrup really just comes together. And of course you get that little bit of that peanut butter, peanut taste, and thickens that dressing. And that dressing really just coats those noodles. Absolutely delicious. The noodles has that kind of delicious springiness and that elasticity, as well as you get that crunchiness and that toasty crunchiness from the toasted peanuts, the little bit of the crunchiness from the edamame, the sweetness from the red bell pepper, and of course the delicious baked crispy tofu. The green onions also add that bit of a freshness. The Thai basil, the mint, the cilantro, just the combination of those three is just incredibly aromatic, incredibly delicious, and amazingly simple, humble. Absolutely love it. It's so easy to put together. I can definitely sit down with a big bowl of this and be a very happy camper. Nothing beats an incredibly delicious, easy to make, visually stunning soba noodle salad. Absolutely love it. As always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.